On Tuesday, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launched Mission 1000 Days, a focused initiative aimed at improving maternal and child health during the crucial first 1000 days of a child's life. While speaking during the event, the Chief Minister said the program is designed to tackle malnutrition and strengthen support systems for mothers and children through better nutrition, essential services and community participation. He added that Rs 127 crore has been earmarked for the initiative, while highlighting that maternal mortality in the state has already declined by nearly 50% since 2018 due to sustained efforts. The Chief Minister further emphasized that the mission should evolve into a people's movement to ensure a healthier future for children.
To support every pregnant and lactating mother. To give every child the right start. To protect, nurture and care during the first 1000 days. While economic growth is important for us, while this number of GDP or GSDP of 10 is very important for us, it does not speak about the overall growth story that we are trying to talk. And therefore, while a secretariat is important for us, it's an infrastructural growth, it's a growth of a new city, a new hub that comes up. While different festivals are important for us because it promotes tourism, it creates jobs, it promotes this concert economy, which has got multiplied effect in terms of economics. Where ensuring that we have different stadiums being made for sports activities to happen. Where it's important for us to construct large roads and a huge network so that people have accessibility to education, to healthcare, to all different aspects. While we do all of these things, economic investment and growth must be balanced. And that is the key to ensuring that we have a healthy and a sustainable economy in the long run. And therefore, if you look at the commitments that we have, in the commitments there is one commitment that talks about nutrition and early childhood development. So what we're doing here today is not just something that we just thought of doing. It is part of the bigger plan. It's part of the bigger picture. All the 10 opportunities on top are areas which we strongly feel that we can unlock unlimited potential out of this and create the kind of jobs, create the kind of economic, the momentum we require, create the kind of infrastructure that's required, build up the entrepreneurship ecosystem, so on and so forth. But while we do that, is that enough? It's not. It's not enough, and that is the reason why we need to ensure that there are commitments that we give. That while we do all of this, we will take care of our environment. While we do all of this, we will take care of our children, our mothers. We will take care of the elderly. While we do all of these things, we will ensure that drinking water, power, network, all of these facilities will be available at the grassroots level. Better efficiency in governance will happen. So all of this will be part of the larger Mission 10 of our government, and that is why we are here today. Our economic growth will mean nothing if we are not able to save mothers' lives. All the large infrastructures we create is going to mean nothing if we are not able to provide healthy environment for our young children. If you're not able to take care of their nutrition, if you're not able to make sure that we are able to eradicate stunting and malnutrition, SAM and MAM children from our system. And that is why we are here today. To be able to achieve that goal that we have already set. This is something we did almost 4 years back. and we've been working on this. I'm announcing this today. Doesn't mean that we have just planned it today. Dr. Rupali and others have been here, Dr. Rupal and others have been here for almost a year now. Before that also, many areas have been worked out. But we feel we are finally ready to be able to move forward and launch this particular program. Having said that, another aspect, if you remember, in 2023, in my budget, I had shared with all of you that while economic growth is important for us, it is important to create a happy society. Now, what is happiness? It's always a big question mark, and I really don't have an answer to it. But all I can say is that the overall environment that we provide, where society can be together, where needs and wants will be unlimited, but a level of satisfaction to know that yes, we are blessed to be able to have this, and can we nurture this? Can we be happy with this? Can we ensure that negativity reduces in our society? So on and so forth. I feel these are the small things that we need to do.
Request all the headmen to kindly stand so we can have a group photograph also.
Thank you. What's the date? 31st. Mission 1000 is one of the most important missions that the government has taken up. As you're all aware that as part of our Mission 10, which is to take Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy, we had also created 10 opportunities and 10 commitments. Out of the 10 commitments, one of them was nutrition and early childhood development. So keeping in line with that particular commitment to the people and to the state, we have launched the Mission 1000. The objective of this mission is very simple. We have realized and we have seen that there is a huge nutritional issue which leads to stunting and malnutrition in a large number of children at the grassroots level. And with the help of experts from different parts of the world and different parts of the country, we have been able to assess some basic steps and measures which can be taken in order to reduce to a very large extent the cases of stunting and malnutrition in our state. And based on that, we have worked out a module and the different pillars, different actions that need to be taken. Some of them are very simple, like the breastfeeding that the mothers must do, how they must do it, how long they must do it, and so on and so forth in terms of the food, what mix of food the child should be given, what food should be avoided to the child. Very simple steps that are worked out. And we would like to see that the entire society and community would come together in order for us to be able to implement these steps. And of course, the government is going to support financially to ensure that we're able to implement those steps. And we will adapt as we move along, because there is no perfect solution when it comes to situations like these. We will adapt, we will learn, we will improve and introduce new steps if necessary, and expand the steps which are successful and maybe stop programs that are not successful. But at the end of the day, our goal is to see that there should not be a single child who is stunted and a single child who is malnutrition. So that is really what the mission is, and we hope that the entire society, and when I say society, I mean the government, the departments, the different headmen, traditional heads, different faith-based organizations, different NGOs, civil society, and also different hospitals as well as different private sector. We all need to come together to make this particular mission a success.